rice flour tomato coconut pancake or mini rice flour tomato coconut pancakes. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pancake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the rice flour recipes and one of the most unique of the tomato recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most unique of the evening snacks recipes and one of the most delicious of the chili recipes. Today we are going to make rice flour tomato coconut pancake. The ingredients are 100 grams of grated coconut, around 1.5 spoons of fennel seeds, 2 to 3 red chillies, 5 to 6 shallots, around 15 grams of ginger, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 tomato, and 250 grams of rice flour. Now put in the grated coconut into the grinder with the fennel seeds and the red chilies and the shallots and the ginger and the garlic, the tomatoes, tomato pieces. Cloves and grind well. Put in the rice flour into the mixture which has been ground well. Put in a quarter spoon of eno or fruit salt. Put in salt to taste. Pour in around 15 to 20 ml of water. Close and grind well and mix. Pour in the mixture into the bowl. Mix. Pour in around 100 ml of water into the mixture. Mix thoroughly. And this mixture can then be used to make the pancake. Now pour in 3 to 4 ml of oil into each of the cavities of the multi-cavity pan. apply the oil evenly. Let the oil get heated. Now pour in the pancake batter into the cavities. And let it fry. Wait for the batter to dry out from the top of the pancake. You can see the batter drying out slowly from the sides. Now slowly turn it over and let it fry. Do this with the other pancakes. Turn over the other pancakes. Turn it to the other side and fry. Take off the pancakes from the pan and onto the plate. Do this with the other pancakes. Take them onto the plate. Repeat the procedure until all the pancakes are nicely made. Pour in the rest of the batter. and cook and repeat the procedure as done before until all the batter is made into pancakes. This is the final rice flour tomato coconut pancake or mini rice flour tomato coconut pancake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the pancake recipes and one of the most unique of the rice flour recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the coconut recipes and one of the most delicious of the tomato recipes and one of the most unique of the chili recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, comment, subscribe and press the notification button.